I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to change your oil in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one's a 96, and this is an overview slash locations video, which means if you want to see an in-depth video showing you how to replace your oil and oil filter, do a YouTube search for Fixbook oil change. There's about a 20-minute video. You can watch that video. It'll give you the in-depth information. This video primarily gives you locations, your drain plug, and your oil filter, and how techniques of how to do this. So with that said, we'll go ahead and begin today's project. Okay guys, and to get to the drain plug, it's a 16mm fastener, and it's going to be sitting right under here. There he is, 16mm. Go ahead and get your drain pan and let that guy drain. The oil filter we're going to be getting from the top. The oil filter, you're going to reach right down here, and you know, I just kind of went in from up top. So yeah, and then as far as how much oil you'll need, I think it's about 5 to 6 quarts of oil. So this is a 4.0. I'll let you know how much it took exactly when I'm done. So see that here in just a moment.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you would like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.